let's go open this engram, and then that'll give me a time to show you guys how to do this. Yeah, we'll do it right now actually before we get the engram. So you're gonna want to create an action group for it, not just a simple command, because you have to do a few things. And it's just good for grouping purposes to do, I think, action groups for stuff, because it allows you to do I think more complex stuff. So what I have mine doing is I first have it set to pause Spotify, because since the video has audio, although it doesn't have music audio, it just becomes too much audio when you have in-game audio, replay of audio, music. So I pause Spotify so it gets a little more attention, and that's just a pause Spotify action. Second, I have it I have a source called instant replay, which I make a scene. Here, let me show you this. I have a scene for stupid mode. So let's bring this over here, make this big. So I made a scene called instant replay, and in that instant replay is where I decorate it. I put the webcam border, the text for instant replay, and then the instant replay video. That video is wherever your clips are stored. Just pick one of the replay videos. It doesn't matter which one, because it's going to always play the newest one, but it makes you pick one. So pick one there. I just picked that random one. Make sure it's not set to loop, otherwise it'll never go away. And then close when inactive, so it doesn't use up a bunch of CPU. Once you have that done, then you're going to go into your scenes, and you're going to have to put it into multiple ones and put that instant replay scene in. Add it as, go here, add scene, and add your instant replay scene, and hide it. Because when it's not hidden, it's obviously going to show. So hide it on all the scenes that you want the instant replay to be able to show up. Then you're going to go to tools and scripts, and you're going to add this one that is already in there called instant replay.lua. You add that there, and it gives you this option, and it's asking you, okay, what is your instant replay media source? Obviously it was that IR video that I showed you that was inside scenes. So pick IR video, close it, restart OBS. Once you restart OBS, you will have now, you got to go to your settings and hotkeys, excuse me, and you now have a new option for instant replay. Make a keyboard shortcut for it. I did Control-Shift-R. Once you have that set up, let's go back over here. Once you have that set up, you're going to go back to the action group, and now you see I have it. The next step in this action is show instant replay. So it's the streaming software action, OBS Studio. We're going to modify the source visibility, and it's asking what source, which is the instant replay source. And then I put the checkbox for visible, because that's what tells it make it visible. So that's the second step. Third step is the actual macro that tells OBS run instant replay, which is, wow, my kid's Paw Patrol is really low. It's a keyboard shortcut R, because mine is Control-Shift-R, and the action is press those buttons. The next step is the wait duration. So instant replays, I have it set now to 45 seconds instead of 60. And so it's going to wait 45 seconds as the video plays before it does anything else. After those 45 seconds are done, then it goes back into hide instant replay. So that's another streaming software action, OBS Studio, source visibility, that same instant replay. We want it to be not visible anymore, so we uncheck it. And then finally, I tell it to resume Spotify at that point. And that's how you do instant replay without any additional software besides Mix It Up and OBS. It has no additional CPU usage as long as you're using replay buffer anyway. That's it. Tweet incoming. Tweet about what?